In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Moodle, as well as some of the settings that are available to you inside of Moodle. So this is what the Moodle login screen looks like. When you sign up for one of our classes, you'll receive login information and you'll be able to come to this page to log in. It'll all be available to you in an email you'll receive the email 24 hours before the class starts. So you would type in your username and password here. If you're having troubles logging in and you've forgotten, maybe you haven't forgotten, but you didn't receive the email from us about Moodle, you can click right here and search by username. Your username will be your first and last name with no spaces and no capitals, and you can put it in right here, and then you'll be able to search and reset your password and log in that way. But I'm just going to log in with my information. Okay, so now once I'm logged in, this is what the Moodle looks like. So I have my classes here. I am enrolled in the How to Sew a Face Mask class, which is a free class that is available on our website. You can sign up for it if you want to try out Moodle yourself before signing up for another class. It's a good way for you to see what it's all about and try it out before you spend money on a class. So this is my course overview, which will show all of the classes that I'm enrolled in right here. And then recently accessed courses right here. So if you have multiple courses, the ones that you have interacted with the most recently would be there. So if I want to go to a class to start doing it, I can just click the little thumbnail right there. And so that brings me to this How to Sew a Face Mask class. So this is what that class looks like. And I can scroll through, and there's announcements that I can click on and see here. Right here, this is a link that I can click on that will bring me to this blog post about Chesley making masks. So we've included that in the class. How to sew by hand. So anything that has this, that's a link that you can access. If you hover over it, you can see it underlines it so that you know that that's a link that you can click on to receive information. And then there's videos that are embedded in here. You can watch them just by clicking right here, or you can pull them up with this and see the full screen in the YouTube browser, which it'll be a lot bigger and easier for you to access that way, but they're embedded here so you can watch them small here if you want to as well. Lots of videos, and yeah. So that's what this free class looks like in Moodle. So when you're done with looking at your courses and doing your coursework, you can always get back to that home page that we were at in the beginning by going right here to the dashboard. So that brings you right back to this page that we were on. You can also go to the site home, which shows you this page with all of the courses that Continuing Studies has to offer. You won't be able to access them if you're not enrolled, but you can sort of click through and see the other classes that are on here that we are offering. So that's exciting. And then you can go back up here to access your dashboard again right there. So it's a little tricky at first. There's a lot of different ways to access the same page. So that can take some time to get used to. You can always see the dashboard here or here. And then you can go to your profile right here, and that is where you can enter in your email and other information that you might want to have there. You'll be able to see the courses that you're enrolled in here as well. You can go up here to see your grades and any messages. and just to set your preferences as well. You can change your password, you can update your preferred language, just things like that right there as well. So that's the basic layout of Moodle and the way that you'll need to use it. So if you do have a Zoom meeting that is within your class, you can go to your class and your teacher will probably have the link inside of your class. We're recommending that all teachers put the link right in the general section here, or just have a separate section for Zooms, so you can access your Zooms from there as well. Your teacher might set up your Zooms on a Google Calendar, so you could access them there if you have Google Apps. Yeah, so that's some of you can go up there to see the homepage. There's lots of different buttons, but don't be overwhelmed by that. A lot of the buttons do the same things. But if you just get used to finding where your dashboard is, that will help you immensely in navigating the site, because all you really need to know is the dashboard and where your courses are. And we're always here to help you. If you are having troubles navigating, just email cs.meca.edu and we will help you.